Alrighty guys, what's going on today? Hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Subscribe to the channel. Click the icon alert for making videos. I really appreciate that, guys. Helps the channel out a ton. I'm just getting everything set up here. Give me about, let's say, 45 seconds to get everything set up here. Down about 32,000 a day. 31K. And then we're going to go like that. Alright, cool. Red day today. I also shorted some stocks. I had some borrowing fees as well, so more like probably a 30 minus $39,000 day, but 31.3, cool. All right, so unfortunate day today, to say the least. Not too disappointed, to be honest. I mean, I am disappointed, but I kind of kept my composure a little bit nicer than I usually would on a red day like today. Minus, okay, there's that. On a day like today, I might lose my composure a little bit worse than today, so I'm kind of, a little bit happy about that. But obviously, we don't want to be red out there, and that's the way it is. We have trades, and trades can go red or green. And that's why there's always risk on the table. I'm live going over today's red day down 31K. All right, copy. Small caps, there we are. Alright guys, just getting everything set up here. Give me about 15 more seconds and I should be good to go here. Alright, so hopefully Discord's working because it wasn't earlier. Okay, cool, there it is. So again guys, hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Hopefully you guys have been trading well. What's going on, VIP, Koji, Seo, Sentire, David? What's going on, guys? Alright. Today's big runners we had... MULN... We had game, AMC we had, also we had FRGE, and lastly we had DRCT. Cool. Posted that. Let's go on TikTok now. Alrighty guys, hopefully you guys have been having a great trading day out there. Hopefully you've been trading well. Today, I should have been a little bit more short biased, to be honest. There was some long opportunities, and the biggest one I missed was FGRE. That was kind of like what I was looking for today. Appreciate that, Leo. What's going on, Nick? Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and go over today's trading day. Again, hopefully you guys have been trading well. Mr. Cos, what's going on? Michael, Sentire, what's going on? Seo, what's going on? Nick B, what's up? Alright guys, so today, we started off the day down a little bit, 3K on GameStop, taking some 4 trades. And then, DATS, luckily we stopped out of that one, way up there, 268, ended up falling almost to 234, 233 today. And then Tilray, the biggest trade I took in Tilray today was bought these dips, sold the rip, basically. And then IGMS. So IGMS, guys, I really thought, we're going to... I started to see 28s hold, 28s hold, and I got chopped around in here. And then I really thought, this move to the upside here, I thought for sure we'd see a move to 31 was a goal. And I knew, basically, if we didn't get over 29.50s, 29.70s, this thing was going to fall. Ended up stopping out on IGMS with my big loser of the day. It was Actually, it was only a $7,600 loser at the time. BBIG ended up taking a loser on 10K. And you can see me just starting to oversize to try and correct myself. Oh yeah, IGMS, 28.85 in, 28.12 out, $60,000 loser. FGRE, I nailed that short on FGRE. The borrows were pretty damn expensive. Sorry, guys. The borrows are pretty damn expensive, but at the end of the day, that is what it is. Like, we have to pay what we have to pay. We can't really decide what we have to pay. Sorry, guys. I don't mean to gross you guys out. I don't want to sound all snuffled up, so I'll save you that. But anyway, so FGRE, I started to short up in here. I started to see this thing pop up and come down, pop up and come down. Look at how many wicks we had up here, guys. There was tons and tons of wicks, so you can obviously see that there's, some upside on the short side here. The more wicks, the better, and our resistance level was 44 there. And then you can see the higher lows happening, but then, we ended up covering some down here, and then I reshorted 100 shares right there. Covered some, then I ended up covering the rest at 37.50. Made about 17 grand on that trade, but the thing is, the borrows cost me, I think it was about 9 grand, so really, overall net, it was like $8,000. And then MULN, I really thought this thing was going to break down under 280 was the goal. We didn't get it. I ended up covering for $11,000 loser. So, overall, I really thought today was better to be short biased, to be honest. What's going on, Todd Adams? Daily prayer, what's going on? Strength, what's going on, MK? Towards the end of the day, I really felt like that, these stocks were generally going to be better off on the short side. And that's why I started to play them on the short side rather than the long side towards the end of the day. FGRE was the textbook long that I was looking for today based upon yesterday's IGMS. I thought that IGMS was going to cause some FOMO today. You can see this thing went from 20 all the way to 35 on a massive amount of volume, and FGRE was kind of following footsteps with that. Kind of saw some FOMO from that move yesterday. To be honest, this is kind of what I was looking for in IGMS, and I got too locked in on it, to be honest. And the fact that I was too locked in, I kind of got away from my rule, which if I lose 2, max 3. I mean, I don't like to get to 3, but if I lose 3 times on a stock, it's done with. And as I can count 1, 2, and 3. And the 4th time was my biggest loss, if I count that right. 1, 2, 3. Yep, the 4th time was my biggest loss by far. I should have been done with it, especially in not a crazy hot of a market. What's going on, Eldred? I didn't. That 4th time cost me. Not only that, but it cost me to see this move right here. I know I would have longed this play. I know I would have. This was my number 1 type watch in the price range right in here, seeing a stock move from 25 to 30. You can see, me kind of just 25, right up to 28. And 26 up to 29. You can see this thing build higher lows, right? And even in the morning time, we kind of got to perk up, then a perk up, and then we're consolidating. And all this is showing its true colors, and here we go, off to the races. Reality is, I probably would have longed it, maybe somewhere in here, or somewhere in here, and I probably would have sold most in here, and the rest probably right here. And it would have been a pretty good amount of size. It probably would have been a $50,000 winner on the day. But I got too locked in to IGMS, and it ended up costing me. And that's okay, because at the end of the day, guys, trading's a new day every day. At the end of the day, trading's a new day every day. Today was a big red day. I wiped the past 2 green days, but I'm looking to just kind of recalibrate, reset. Count's still at 200 grand, so just continue to slide through the ups and downs. Continue to make smart decisions along the way, and don't make decisions like I did today where I got too locked in. I went away from my rules. If I lose 2, max 3, and if we're in an extremely, extremely hot market, maybe 4 times. Like, that is a very, very rare. If I lose 4 times on a name, I'm done with it for the day. I stay away from that, or I got into my rule breaking on IGMS, the last one. That's exactly why I don't like to take a 4th red trade, because I will size up, and it costs me big time. So I started to take it a little bit personal. Sized up, tried to see a $31 move, didn't get it, and paid the price. So I appreciate you guys subscribing to the NormaticMilTrading.com community today. I really, really do. PA Sharma, check out the link in the bio there. You can check out the link in the bio, or check out the YouTube link. It's all in the links below. I show my screen on there. Either link in my bio, in my TikTok there, or you can see it on YouTube as well. It's all in the links in the bio there. I really thought that Agri, was going to be a mover, and it might still be. But as of Biden said, food shortages won't be a problem too bad in the U.S., so is what it is. What's going on, Johnny? What's going on with trading? Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys subscribing to NormaticMilTrading.com community. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Cheers, team, and go Hawks.